Hey guys, welcome back to my channel All in One Life. Today we are going to unbox Poco M2 purchased from Flipkart, which will be available on sale during Diwali time. It will be available under 10,000 from Flipkart if you purchase from the given link in the description. And normal market price is actually 11,000, but if you purchase on the link below you can get under 10,000. So let's begin with the unboxing. I have already done some puja for this new phone, and also please watch this video till the end to confirm whether you should purchase this or not and to know my honest reviews as well as first impressions. There will be no editing on this video, so this will be also a 4K quality one, and enjoy this video. So let's begin from the unboxing. We open from here. Yeah. There is also a sellotape here. So here comes our Poco M2 number one quality brand phone, and here you can see the key features. It's full HD plus display, 6.53 inches display. Processor is MediaTek Helio G80, 5000 mAh battery which will last for around 1 day, and 13 MP quad camera, 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. And this is a 6GB 64 variant, 6GB 128GB, 128 also available, that variant. This also comes with USB Type C reversible connector, IR blaster, dual SIM with micros, means 3 SIM, means 3 slots, and both 4G, made in India. So we cut the phone from here. Not cut the phone, cut the phone's box. And as soon as we unbox, we get a small cover, not cover, small box inside it. Yes. So here comes the SIM ejector tool, and inside we come to know a lot of things about this phone. Keep this aside, and this is the SIM ejector tool. And next comes our brand new Poco M2 purchased from Flipkart. So let's check out. Here are 3 variants of this phone. I have purchased the that blue one. Bright red is also available. Let's keep this phone aside and let's check what is inside the box. Inside the box we get a 10-watt adaptive fast charger. Here it's written MI's 10-watt adaptive fast charger. Not fast charger, it's 10-watt charger. And this phone supports 18-watt charger. This I didn't like because this box also should have contained 18-watt charger. So okay, 10-watt charger and a normal USB Type C cable, which is a fairly good quality, and nothing else on the box. So let's come to the phone. First I tell you that this is our phone, a very good quality phone. This is what slate blue color. It comes with pitch black and brick red. First come to the design. If we come to the design, here we can see that here are the 4 cameras, and this is the seal, and from in this side we get the SIM ejector tool. We get the SIM ejector tool. This side nothing else. In the bottom we get a headphone jack, 3.5 mm headphone jack, microphone, USB Type C speaker, and this side we get a power button and volume up down button, and up we get a IR blaster and a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. And let's first boot up this phone. Till then, I confirm the specifications that this is a Gorilla Glass 3 and plastic back, plastic frame, dual SIM, nano SIM, IPS LCD, and 6.53 inches. And it runs on Android 10 and MIUI 11, MediaTek Helio G80 processor, octa-core, and 64 GB internal storage, 6 GB RAM, and 13 MP that I told. And in the front we get 8 MP camera, notch display, and we can record full HD 1080p at the 30 FPS, both sides, selfie also, back also. And loudspeaker is there, 3.5 mm jack is there. This supports Wi-Fi dual bandwidth and Bluetooth version 5. GPS is also there, and infrared port I told as here is the infrared port. And this radio also works wirelessly. So here is the MIUI 11. Let's go. I select the language. I select my region. And this phone boots up. I'm just confirming with the Wi-Fi. Just pressing up the Wi-Fi, connecting with the Wi-Fi, and let you know. So here I have almost completed set it up, and let me show you that it has a dedicated 3 slots. Yes, it has a dedicated 2 nano SIMs and 1 SD card. So I've almost finished completing up, and let's discuss that what does it contain and my reviews on this. So I've chosen a classic theme. There was the option of 2 themes. So let's show you. Let me lock it. So, but there's a major disadvantage that we get so many bloatwares. See, so many applications, games, and Zilly, which is a band app. So just we can do is we can uninstall from here. Yes, so here was my phone, and I have told you everything about it. This contains fingerprint sensor and face unlock also, and this supports for fast charging. But in the box we come across only 10-watt charger. You can purchase it from market, 18-watt charger. And this was all, and this was all about the phone and box. Yes, and one thing I forgot, that this comes with a pre-installed screen guard. So we have finished up with the unboxing. Now coming to the end, I would just like to say that it fully depends on your choice to purchase. But if you want to know my honest reviews, I would suggest you to purchase this. And if you want a better quality picture or better high specification, you can also go for Poco M2 Pro. Link in the description. And I purchased it for rupees 9,000 after applying all the offers. You can also get the same during Diwali. And at last, this is the best and cheapest 6 GB RAM under this price point. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share my video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. Thank you everyone. Signing off, Ayush.